There's one more over on the shelf, and there's 3 here. I need Diane, Dexter, Chris, all right, Dexter's here. You go first. All right. What box you want, Dexter? Were you the first one who took a spot, or was it Chris? What up, Jude? You want some of them dumpies? Okay. Which box you want? 1, 2, or 3? Okay, box 2. Okay, I'm going to open this up. I'm going to move the packs around, and then you're going to pick first. Chris will pick second, and then Diane gets the last 2 packs. Good luck. All right. That's good enough. All right. All right. Dexter, you're up, buddy. 1, 2. Where's Chris at? If anybody else wants to do this, let me know. Pack number 3. Good luck, Dexter. Actually, I put the dummy card at the bottom. Okay, Chris has messaged me pack 1, so we know what he's taking. Okay, so Diane will get pack whatever's. I don't even know what they would be, 2 and 4. Whoa, do not ruin this. Okay, Diane is here. All right, so 1, this is Dexter. Fitzgerald to 50. Freaking Crawwell. Numbered to 20. This is Chris's pack. Ricky, numbered to 15. Look at that patch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Somebody's looking for Ricky, I can assure you. All right, let's see what we got here. Is it CJ? CJ Bethard. We are lacking an RPA, man. Okay, so this is Chris. Man, it's going to be impossible for me to keep up. Let me just see here. Let me get these in team bags. That'll work. All right, this is Chris. No, this is Dexter. This is Dexter. Okay. He said 1. So that's pretty simple. Andrew, you'd have to come pick it up, buddy. We're not shipping or anything. Moss coming up is what he said. Stefan. Not quite Randy, but he wore Randy's shoes on Monday night. There you go. There's your guy. He's at least wearing Moss's shoes. Another Ricky Williams. Run, Ricky, run. Run, Ricky, run. Here's a cool card. Juju and Le'Veon. Numbered to 199. Here we go. Is this it? Yeah. Is it just a base rookie, dude? Ooh, that's a cool card, though, man. That dude's good. TJ. That's a cool card. I got a feeling that dude's going to be a bad man. Oh, TJ. Get old. Where did the team back? Okay. And the next up is Diane. This is credit card Chris. Alright. Credit card Chris is just CCC. Alright. Next up is Diane. Alright. Let me know if anybody else wants to do another one. Pack, box, whatever. I'm going to be here for a while. Nope, Dan. I mean, nothing crazy. I mean, nothing bad. It wasn't. We've had some decent hits, but nothing to make me scream out only at Grand Slam. Deontay Foreman, next era. I mean, we're getting some high-numbered stuff. I mean, Davis Webb to 199. This could be good. It's a rookie blue. No. Marlon Humphrey. Good grief. Whew. Where are all our good cards at? Ed McCaffrey. What is Ed McCaffrey? Are they all upside down? Nope. Okay, first one is Ed die cut. Yeah. Isn't that the dang truth? McCaffrey. It's always in the next box. Let's see what we got here. Oh, good. Another Davis Webb. Good grief. Surely there's something in here good. A Dak. Number to 199, though. Wow, last card. I mean, out of the whole box. It's orange. It's a rookie, though. Shelton Gibson to 5. Wonk, wonk, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. Okay. Wow. All right. Anybody want to do this? Conference crates are better. It was than this box. I mean, the TJ Watt is probably pretty good. I haven't looked, but I don't know. Yeah, Dan, that was one of the worst boxes of $279 cards I've seen in a long time. Panini, man, I don't get it. I mean, there's surely something good in that case. We went through 5 boxes. Okay, this is Diane. Anybody want to do absolute or anything else? Okay, you want it's absolute. I think that's what he's talking about. Yeah, absolute. We've had great luck with it. Other than that, I'm just working on gold mine, so that stuff's over there, like the gold mine packages and stuff. I think we're going to release, guys. We're going to release a couple cases of gold mine on trade night this Friday night. And I mean, I built this for our local customers. So, you know, when I say local, I mean guys that come in here, girl, whoever, and also the guys on the internet that buy from us. So I'm going to release some of it to you guys because I'm afraid Friday we'll have a lot of people from out of town coming in, and I don't know how many they're going to buy or whatever. And I'm trying, like I said, I did this for you guys, so I think it's best to go ahead and let some of it out since we're ready. I've already packed like 150 of them. You know, I'm finished, so we'll have plenty to go ahead and do it Friday night. But guys, tune in on the internet on our page, or come on in Friday night. Bring some cards too. I'm looking to buy. There's other people looking to buy too, but I will do the bottom box of Spectra. Okay, Dexter, did you say you wanted absolute too? Okay, Dexter already paid, so that's done. Okay. All right. So this is Diane. I'm down to 10% again. Yeah, it's 139, Dexter. This box is different. Look at that. Does anything look different? Okay, now they look about the same. Anyway, I'm gonna put these, I'm gonna keep this box, give it to you. Yeah, that'd be great. Gotta be a good start to have a Favre. I only have 10%, Dexter, so I'll charge it again after this box break, okay? Because it takes a minute to do this. Favre $2.99. Hopkins $35. Hold on a second, guys. Let me lock the damn door. Peterson to $1.99. Oh, this is, ooh, we got a good one. We're getting an Amber Alert, but you got a good card. Hold on. Hope you can see this. My phone's going off because of an Amber Alert. Hold on. Oh, yeah, I saw his name. Please be autoed. Boom! Woo! Get you some of that, Diane. Get you some of that. Hope it's a 101. Number to 75. That's what's up. Nice. It's a magnetic right there. Could y'all see when the Amber Alert came on? I'm curious. Or was y'all's phone dinging too? Yeah, man. So y'all could hear my phone doing that. I was wondering. We still got 3 packs to go. Matthew Stafford. Watch it all be in one box. Y'all done chickened out. Woo! Diane said, she said Trubisky. Just give me a minute. We'll get him in a second. Stafford. Number to 50. I might be able to get it in before my phone dies. Here's something number to 10. A one color number to 10. Dude, Panini sucks, man. Number to 10. Anyway. Ooh. Dual 199 to 199. McCaffrey and Devontae. Yeah, 279. And this is the last one. I have no idea who this is. Quincy Wilson. He's got himself a nice signature. Looks like that he's signing his driver's license. Is he? Here's a cool card. Oh, okay, I'll grab you a box of certified. Which one do you want, buddy? There's 6 left. Let me finish this pack first. Just let me know 1 through 6 and we'll grab it. Chad Kelly. 98 of 99. Kaiser. This box is more like it. Kamara and a redemption too. I don't know if that's good or bad. Since we already got the RPA, I don't think it's going to be. Patch autographs. Aspiring patch autograph. Kareem Hunt! Woo! What a box. Boom! Nope. That's our boy, Mr. 234 yards in his first week. Diane came to get down. Woo! Hit the Kareem Hunt patch auto. Jamie, we still waiting on you. Yeah. That's what we thought. Okay, AJ. Yeah, no kidding. This box has been great. Number to 99. AJ. Goodness. Ooh, it's his jersey number, guys. Boom. She is tearing it up. Zeke, 21 of 199. Jersey number. Only a Grand Slam. Here we go. John Ross. She got some really good names, too. And the last one, I think, is just surely it's just a rookie. Ooh, what is this? Ozzie Newsome. I just like that card. I just think that's a cool looking card. I'm going to try to bust this absolute, I think, while we can. Give me a second, Diane. I'll open this absolute, and then just give me a call on my cell phone, and we'll get you squared away. Congrats. I got to do this quick, so if the phone dies. Okay, thanks, Dexter. I'll try to hurry. And no problem. Give me like 5 minutes, Diane, and I'll get back on if anybody wants anything. That's different. It's backwards. Come on. Gotta be gentle. This was Diane. This is right off the bat. Boom! Who's that? Who's that right there? Be a 101. 91 of 99. Boom! Only at Grand Slam, baby. We're starting to pull the heat now. Kirk Cousins 25 and Mr. Brandon Cooks. First pack. Nice. Back-to-back Watsons. Josh Reynolds. Quincy somebody. Devontae Adams. Chris Dolman. And Perrine. Okay, this is Dexter. So Pumphrey, Dolman, Perrine. We're just going to call him Quincy. Devontae, and my man Deshaun. Let's get him a magnetic. What up, CJ? If y'all want me to bust anything, message me. I'm going to let this charge for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and then I'll see if anybody else wants anything. Woo! Cool card, man. Appreciate the business, y'all, too. Without you guys, we couldn't do it. All right. I'll be back on in a few minutes, see if anybody wants anything else, guys. Y'all may be done. We'll see. Dexter. Y'all have a good night if y'all don't come back now.